Daddy, I want a squirrel. Get me one of those squirrels. I want one.
Veruca, dear, you have many marvelous pets.
All I've got at home is 1 pony and 2 dogs and 4 cats and 6 bunny rabbits and 2 parakeets and 2 canaries and a green parrot and a turtle and a silly old hamster. I want a squirrel!
All right, yes. Daddy will get you a squirrel just as soon as he possibly can.
But I don't want any old squirrel. I want a trained squirrel.
Very well. Mr. Wonka, how much do you want for one of these squirrels? Name your price.
But they're not for sale. She can't have one.
Daddy.
I'm sorry, darling. Mr. Wonka's being unreasonable.
If you won't get me a squirrel, I'll get one myself.
Veruca.
Little girl? Don't touch that squirrel's nuts. It'll make him crazy.
I'll have you.
Veruca!